What's up, y'all? This right here is the Motortech Renegade. This is the kids ATV. This is a 40cc ATV here. Bought this off of Amazon, and it came shipped in the box in the package y'all seen from the video here. Had to put it together out of the box. Wasn't that bad. Took me maybe a couple hours to put it all together, but just for anybody who want to know, there's no instructions at all on how to put this thing together. You got to know a little bit about bikes in order to be able to put it together, or you can you're pretty sure you can find a YouTube video somewhere on how to do it, but it wasn't that bad. Got it all together, man. I started up already. Didn't have to put any oil in it. Came with oil in it already. I checked it just to make sure, but all I had to do is put in gas. Everything else is good. It fired right up. I didn't even have to choke it. It comes with a key. The key adjuster to turn the ignition on and off. It's not battery powered at all. Not working with no batteries. Have a switch right here, on off switch right here also, and the kill switch right here. You hook it on to whoever's riding. If they fall off, it'll pull this out. It'll kill the bike. But I'm go ahead and start it for you, Rick. I already had it started for me. This is on. It's a pull start also. Fires right up. Runs good, y'all. Runs good, I think, so far. Yeah. Ready. And trying to see what else we got with this thing here. It has front and rear brakes. This is a fully automatic, no gears at all. So on the handles right here is your brakes, front and rear brakes. It also came with the flag that goes out the back, but I'm not gonna put that on yet. I'm gonna wait and see. But I bought this here for my daughter. Her birthday's in a couple of days, so I bought this here for her. So I hope that she like this. I'm doing another video, her reaction to her probably riding it, so stay tuned for that. I think this came in 3 colors: the green and black, the blue and black, and the red and black. Pretty sure my daughter probably would have wanted pink, but it didn't come in pink. I won't get this one right here specifically, but since it did come in green and black, I had to get the green and black. And if y'all been watching my videos, y'all know why. To match my quad back here, my KFX 450. So me and her gonna be out here riding together here pretty soon. So stay tuned for that, yo. But yeah, this is it right now, man. I do thank you for tuning in. Watch this video right here. This is the Renegade Motortech 440cc kids ATV. Catch y'all on the next one. Yo.